Hey guys, my name's John Erickson, and I absolutely love the holiday season. It's a time when families get together, gather around the fireplace, and share stories. It's a time of anticipation, waiting for good old Saint Nick to come down that fireplace. It's a time when grandmas snore and grandpas fart, children cry, and we overeat and overdrink and oversleep and overdo everything. Parents are working their butts off to make dreams come true. And when that first snowflake starts to fall and you hear the jingle in the air, there's something magical about it. What I like to do most is I grab my ring for a kiss bell, position myself strategically in the living room, and I sing a song. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.